55, he scored. Gabisa driving, he scored by Gabisa. 46-47, 1.3 drop to Mulo. From kanan, Soyuna. From Fawi, Chambo. One clear shot left. Mascarenhas, jump shot no good, Mascarenhas again. And the layup is scored. Labaw ng black court. Black. Pagkanan.
Uli ng bola.
48-47. And the lead the black team. Black. Going to the shoot. Tapos na ito na yun. Tomo Sisa fires. Agad ng Polygonan. Ikaw na pasok kanan. And the layup. No good. Restore by kanan. 49-48. 1.8 white team. Mascarenhas. Tohiayon. Layup. Wala. Mascarenhas. Layup is scored. 50-49. Labawang black team. Number 4. Upat pa. Upat pa rin, upat. 5 minutes, 56 seconds na. Rebound ni Guna. Sige. Travel by Guna. Substitution. 5 minutes, 31 seconds. He scored 50-49. 1 point lead, black team. So, Kagan. So, Bulo. 14 shot like Bulo. Oh, grab it on number 55. Fires. Good. Rebound Gabisa. Ako ni Mausisa. And the layup. Good. Rebound Mikey. Mascarenhas. Good. Mikey. Wow, that was Mikey. Number 55. 55 again, pasok, Bulos, foul. Foul number 5. Illegal so bad. Substitution. Cuatro minutos 45 segundos. Masisa. Masisa pas shot clock na to 10 to Anahaw to Mercado. Layup. Four minutes, 17 seconds. Twenty shot left. Passing. Santo Bulo. Nakalis Bulo. Driving layup to score. Lamang ay pagway kagisa. 50-51. Nakapagpagan. Number 24. 3 minutes, 42 seconds. Tortaga. Rebound Mercado. Foul in the Sardinas. No good. Probably. Bolo pasok kanan. Kabisan Galen. Power 5. Substitution. Three minutes, 12 seconds. Twenty to shoot, Pasarinas. Mercado. Bola Swart. 3 minutes, 2 seconds. The score 50-51, 120-20. Duna. Big pass. Wala. Second.
Tipping.
Substitution. Two minutes, 42 seconds left sa itong last quarter. Ito na. Agay mga sisang bola. Pasok ngayon. Sa Ingles agad. Mga sisang. Wala. Number 12. Fagio. Two minutes, 26 seconds. Warning for penalty pa. Warning for penalty. Number 25 to Pabe. Score. 50-53. 3-point lead, white team. Last 2 minutes. Masarinas to Gabisan. He scored. He scored 53-52. 1 point lead. White. That's number 55 again. That's a contact. Ball to 15. Penalty. 1 minute 43 seconds. One minute 43 seconds remaining. The last quarter, last 1 minute 43 seconds. Last throw, ready for back. David. One minute 43. 1 minute 43. Third man. Shot clock down to 10. Tandaan and we score. Last 1 minute 28 seconds. Kabisan Tomas Carreras fires to score. Tandaan, dribbling the ball. 20 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Last 59 seconds, 10 to shoot. Shot knocked down to 5. No basket, no basket. 52 seconds. Segundo. Bautista fires! Sige, pala pa Bautista! Labaw ng clock o isa. Last 44 seconds. 30 seconds. Bola. Outs on you. 37 seconds. Last 37 seconds. 55-56. 1 point lead Black Team. 17 to shoot. Masukkan na 15 na shot clock. Mas power. Oras. Time out. 29 seconds. 29.2 seconds. Labaw po ng Black Team.
Okay, pahibalo. Ang atong basketball tournament na open, magsugod na og mapuhon. So, after sa parade, magsugod ang atong open basketball tournament. Ang first game is in SU versus St. James. Unsa ang atong second game, Davao versus Maasin. Ugma sa buntag. Okay?
Davao lagi. Invitation.
Penalty na, penalty. Buttons standard penalty situation. Restore Bigland. Pareha 56 daw. Back to Booker. Last 29 seconds.
Nana apa?
25 seconds. 50%. Fabio. Ay, talaga ako score. Time up. Laban po black. 21.2 seconds na. Last 21.2. Back to again, 21.2 seconds. Last 21.2 seconds. Osari Labaw sa Black Team. 57-58. Twenty. 15 seconds. Number 12. Fabio.
Panyo-panyo.
Penalty, 11.5 seconds. 11.5 seconds. Mega. Last throw, ready for rebound, 11.5 seconds. Alis Las Vegas, Tomasi, sayang layup is score. 3.9 seconds. 3.9 seconds. 2.4. 2.8. Seconds.